Feeling stressed but not sure when or why it's creeping up on you? Artificial intelligence might help. In this video, we'll see how new apps sense your stress through things like heart rate or voice tone, and then give you instant coping strategies. Let's find out how these AI-powered tools could become your personal stress-busting assistant. We live in a world where everyone has a smartphone or smartwatch. Now we can use AI to track stress signals from our bodies, like heart rhythms, skin sweat, or even voice tone, so the app can spot stress right away. Imagine your phone noticing that your heart rate soared during a tense work call, and then suggesting a quick breathing exercise to calm down. That's the promise of AI-driven stress detection apps. They can act like 24/7 wellness companions, giving you real-time help whenever stress spikes. This matters because catching stress early can stop it from spiraling and keep us healthier and happier. First up is heart rate and heart rate variability, or HRV. Our hearts beat differently when we're stressed. HRV often goes down under stress. Apps like Fitbit or Garmin track HRV. If it drops, they guess you're stressed and nudge you to relax. Some apps even do this via your phone's camera, checking tiny color changes in your fingertip for pulse data. Heart signals are a big clue to your stress level. Next, your skin gets sweaty when you're tense. That's electrodermal activity, or EDA, also known as galvanic skin response. Wearables like the Fitbit Sense can measure this. If EDA rises, it's often a sign you're anxious. The app can alert you saying, "Hey, you seem stressed. Want to do a calming exercise?" Quick and direct. Some apps use facial analysis via your phone's camera, checking for micro-expressions like a tight jaw or furrowed brows. AI can spot little muscle movements that indicate stress. It might then display a prompt, "You look tense. Try a quick mindfulness break?" While still evolving, it's a fascinating way to read emotion. Just keep in mind lighting, angle, and privacy concerns. Ever notice your voice changes under stress? It might be higher pitched or shaky. AI can detect those patterns. You talk to the app, it picks up stress cues in your voice and says, "Looks like you're upset. Shall we do a breathing session?" That's how speech emotion recognition works, turning your voice into a window on your mental state. Some apps watch how you use your phone, like typing speed or sleeping patterns, to guess if you're stressed. If you're suddenly typing slower or messing up more, it could show you're anxious. By blending these signals, the AI gets a fuller picture of your stress. All these signals, heart rate, sweat, voice, become raw data, then AI steps in. Machine learning models apps train algorithms to spot stress versus calm states from big data sets. They look for patterns like low HRV plus sweaty palms equals high stress. Deep learning. If facial video or audio is involved, neural networks see subtle cues in expressions or tone. Affective computing. This is the science of making computers read emotions. It might combine multiple signals like heart rate plus voice for better accuracy. NLP chatbots. For text-based check-ins, chatbots like Woebot or Wysa parse your messages. If you say, "I'm overwhelmed," the bot's AI picks up stress signals in text. The result? A stress score or a classification that triggers an action if it's too high. So once stress is detected, how do apps help? Guided breathing. If the system sees your heart rate variability drop, it might gently alert you. Take 1 minute to breathe slowly. You follow an on-screen guide or a game that tracks your calmness. Mindfulness prompts. Some apps pop up a short meditation clip or calming music. They push you to pause and refocus. Chatbot coaching tools like Woebot or Wysa chat with you, suggesting cognitive behavioral therapy exercises, like checking negative thoughts or practicing gratitude. They talk to you just like a supportive friend or coach. Biofeedback games. Maybe you play a simple game where relaxing your mind raises a floating balloon on the screen. It's fun, and also trains you to keep calm. Smart reminders. The app might say, "You've been stressed for 2 hours. Time to stretch or get some fresh air." These timely nudges keep stress from building up. Calm is known for meditations and sleep stories. It uses AI to recommend the right session at the right time. Calm's primary trick is personalizing relaxation content. They found in randomized controlled trials that using Calm daily can lower stress. However, it doesn't do deep sensor-based detection by itself. It's more about delivering top-notch mindfulness content. Woebot is a cognitive behavioral therapy chatbot. You type your feelings, it responds with therapy techniques or gentle jokes. The AI sees text cues of stress and guides you with quick thinking exercises like reframing anxious thoughts. Studies show Woebot reduces depression or anxiety over a few weeks, but it mostly depends on what you share. No heart rate sensor here. Similar to Woebot, Wysa uses a penguin chatbot. It's more advanced in free text understanding, offering various self-care techniques from breathing to journaling. Wysa can do emotional intelligence, spotting your mood in your typed words. It's gotten strong feedback in real-world trials for lowering stress and has FDA breakthrough status, meaning it's recognized as a promising digital therapeutic. Mindstrong focuses on passive data, how you type and scroll on your phone. It uses AI to detect changes that might mean rising stress or depression. If a risk is spotted, it can alert a clinician or prompt you with help. It's more behind the scenes and clinically oriented, less about real-time coping in the user's face, more about early warnings. Studies overall show these apps can help reduce stress. Calm's meditations lowered perceived stress in students. Woebot's trial found it reduced depression in young adults. Wysa users see improved anxiety scores. Biometric-based approaches have lab tests showing 80 to 90% accuracy in detecting stress states. So yes, there's growing evidence, though more large long-term trials are still needed. Accuracy heart rate spikes might be due to exercise, not stress, or the AI might miss subtle emotional signs. Privacy apps collect personal data, like your face or voice. Ensuring data security is crucial, not a magic fix. They help with mild to moderate stress, but serious crises need professional help. User engagement. Some folks stop using the app after a week. Consistency matters for lasting benefits. Bias and personalization. Models must adapt to each user's unique patterns. One-size-fits-all can fail. AI-driven stress detection is redefining how we manage mental health, anytime, anywhere. Whether it's your watch nudging you to breathe or a chatbot helping you reframe worries, these tools offer a new level of support. They're not perfect, but as sensors get better and AI gets smarter, they'll become more accurate and personalized. Think of them as a helpful sidekick on your stress journey. One that reminds you to pause, breathe, and find calm in life's hectic moments. Thanks for watching, and remember, checking in with your mental health is just as important as any daily habit.